Okay, good morning. This is the post web page model of our faculty. Just let the university emblem be on the left side. We want to give the university name and the faculty name here. And we need this number of tabs: home, about, administration, research, staffs, academics, facilities, services, and library. And again, we need this news and events. Under that, we need a scrolling page, which is just showing the latest news that we are giving. And if they click view all, then it has to go to the old previous news and events gallery also. Some faculty events we will post here, and that also need to be a scrolling image which is having the photo of the latest. And when you go for view all, previous galleries will be there. And again at the bottom, uh, uh, again at the bottom, we have to need the contact us. I think bottom is I am speaking about the footer of this home page or the website page of the faculty. Here you can have about the faculty of mechanical postdocs, all this phone number and this fax number details. So anyway, finalize the phone number and fax number based upon the latest one. This I have taken from the faculty um, letterhead. So again, you have to have about the dean as a title similar to contact us. In that, you have to give the details of the dean here. Okay, all the details of the dean must be here. Okay, so the next one here we need to next one we need to have this next title as a web-based system. What is this web-based system? It is giving the options, number of menus, which will be showing or having this link to SMS. Okay, having the link to SMS and having the e-learning portal link and Argonauts University journals. That is, you can go to the different journal pages. For example, since we are engineering, you can go for the our AMIT, and again it has to have a academic calendar option which the student can view when you click. Maybe it will be linked to the university page. Okay, or they can download as a PDF based upon the ICT. And again, AMU email link, that is your our basic Outlook. Going to the Outlook, it will be needed. And again, School of Graduate Studies, it has to go to the School of Graduate Studies web page. And this I request faculty to create the Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn account and Instagram account. So just the icon has to be clicked, and that icon has to be go to the particular pages to see about the news of the faculty. Okay, so that is the ideology. The next thing is can come to this next page. So this is the explanation of the previous tiles. Here you can see home, about, administration, research, staff, academics. All these are the home pages. The home page it will be there, the first page. Okay. So here this home page is a main tile, which is when you click the home, it has to be again land on the same page. This page only. Okay. Next one, about. When it clicks to about, it has to have the two options, background and contact us. When they click administration, it has to show three options, dean, shareholders, other officers. When they click research, it has to show projects, research and publication, and seminar and workshops. When they click the staff, it has to land on some page. Okay. Academics, it has to go for this show these two options. Facilities, it has to show this laboratory services, it has to show the training and consultation and community service and library. So this when they click this main tiles, it has to show these tabs. Okay. And again here down you can see in the home page. It has to be hyperlinked. When they click home, again it has to just land to the same home page. When they click about, it has I have previously I told here. It has having the option of background and contact us. So next, when they click background, then it has to have a title of background with this yellow shade. Okay, and then it has a detailed background of the faculty. Then the next title inside the same page. Okay, for clicking the background, you will go to the background. Background will be the title. You have a contents. Then the same page, next title will be vision, next title will be mission, next title will be the program educational objective, next title will be the program outcomes. And again, it here you will be having admission requirements, and again that's all. You can enter all the details which is there. And again, as I told, you can add about the student number of students admitted or currently taking the course is based upon the faculty need. So the next one is contact us. In this contact us button, that is also coming under the same your about the page, about when you click this about, you have background and contacts. So hereafter, I'm not going to come to this page because already about means about after that background contacts. When you click the background, what is the content? Contact us, what is the content? Dean, what is the content? Chair role is what is the content? That's only we are going to discuss now after this. So in the contact us button, we will be having all the details of faculty. Again, as I told you, you can edit this Word document, whatever the faculty wanted. So next tab is administration. The administration, you will be having the dean option. In the dean option, inside, if you click the button dean and go, it has to have a dean as a title. Yellow, all the yellow shades will be the title, okay, titles or the so yeah, titles, the headings. So the photo here you have to include the photo of the dean, and again the welcome message. It is a rough message you can add, and again down you will be adding the down dean details. Okay, so that is the page of this under administration. We are having a dean photo, dean image, and the dean's designation name and contact information. Next tile, click when you click the chair holders, it has to have a heading of FME chair holders. It has automatic chair. Again here, photo of the automotive chair, name, designation, and this is the designation. Actually, this is the automotive chair holder, already it is given. But what is the designation is like lecturer or assistant professor, like that. Okay, email and mobile number. Here, there is a short description about automotive chair is given. Obviously, it is tentative. It can be changed by based upon the interest of the shareholders. Again industry engineering chair. So all this will be coming under the shareholders thing. Okay, and that is that tab finished. Okay, next one, other offices. Here you can come, if you click the other office, it has to come FME offices as a heading. After that the photo has to be there, name, position. So what are the position we can make? Different coordinators are there. For example, KPI coordinator is there, PG coordinator is there. Some as per the thing is research coordinators also to be there as a faculty. So we can add based upon the photo, email, phone number of them particular thing. Then under the other office, and again secretary and assistant to secretary details and photos also can be added here. So the next main tile is green color is research. When you click the research, already it goes to projects, research and publication, and again seminar and workshops. So when you click this research, it has to go show the three buttons. Okay, as I told, projects, research and publication, and seminar and workshop, it will show three options. So when you click the projects, it needs a title of projects, and after that one title, projects and community service. Here this is the general statement is given. Under that, we will add a tabular column when we collect the full data of the staff members from almost whatever the data we have almost after the starting of the university. We will starting of our faculty. We can add this research publication also. When you click the research publication, it has to go inside. Inside it has to have a title, research and publications. Under that, it will be having a title of 2025 faculty publications. Not only this, after entering all the 2025 publications with the full details, next is like 2024 publications up to 1990 or 1980, whatever the data we have in the name of our faculty, we have to add a list. Okay. So next one. This details, as I already discussed with you, with Mr. Agamyu, you can just get the details from Dr. Simon. Previously, shared the link and collected data of whole university. And when you click the seminar and workshops, it has to go inside. And as of now, we don't have the details of this seminar and workshops. And this must, we have to continuously do the different guest lectures, seminars, and workshops because it is also important for the accreditation. So next one, the main title staff. When you click the staff, it has to have a heading of faculty of inside, of course, and it has a heading of faculty of mechanical Ethiopian academic staff. All the details are given here. I hope if there is any updation, um, Mr. Again, you can edit these details and faculty of mechanical staff, expatriate staff. I adapted from the latest curriculum what we are working on it, and again, technical assistant staff is there. So these details are there. Even now that was recently moved from here. So and I didn't added the stuff in holiday. I hope it's not needed also. Next one, the main click is the main tab is academics. I hope to for a short reminder, you can go what is this academics. You can see academics will be on the main page of the first page of our website. When you click academics, it will come give the different options. So what are the different options given? Undergraduate programs, and again it will give postgraduate, sorry, graduate programs. So when you click the undergraduate program, then here the new thing, new subtabs are needed. Okay, first is green, second is this blue, third one is in orange color. I have given where that means when you click the undergraduate programs, it has to show sideways mechanical engineering. So when you click the mechanical engineering, it has to go and have a title of mechanical engineering inside. Inside the mechanical engineering, here you have to give Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering. Under the mechanical title, you have to give hosting unit. Who is the hosting unit? Faculty of Mechanical Engineering. Program description. What is the program description? Here you will be having the detailed program description adapted from the curriculum. You can change duration of the program 5 years. Again, medium of instruction, English. Admission criteria as per the curriculum are adapted. Obviously, it can be edited. Annual intake, as of the latest detail, I just given 20, but obviously it is editable. Contact person. So this contact person, annual intake, admission criteria, all are headings inside the same tab. Okay, same page. When you click this mechanical engineering, it will have a title of mechanical engineering. Under that, you will be having this Bachelor of Science and Engineering. Obviously, it is not a title. Under the mechanical, you will be having a Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering. Who is the hosting unit? Faculty of Mechanical Engineering. Program descriptions will be there. Duration of 5 years. Admission criteria is there. And contact person, just a hyperlink can be given for the contact. When we click, it will be lands to the deal page. That is the ideology. Or if there is any person, contact person is there for a separate program, you can add. The next tab is graduation program. When they click the graduate program, it has to show another 5 options. Metals and metallurgy PhD, automotive, all the four different PG courses. So when you click the automotive for materials, metallurgy and metals in PhD, you can come here. When you click it, it has to give a title, materials and material engineering PhD. So here also, I hope the same mechanical engineering will be the title. Okay. So under that, you will be having this one, material engineering. So what is the degree we are giving? Doctor of Philosophy in Materials and Metallurgy, Philosophy in Metallurgy and Materials. Okay. So hosting in it, Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, program description. I tried to adapt from the goals and objective, and this tentative. Again, if you need expert in consultation on this, you can get from the senior staff members of our faculty. The duration of the PhD program is expected to for not more than 6 years. It's not my code. It is just taken from the curriculum. Medium of instruction English. Admission criteria adapted from the same curriculum. Annual intake I given 5 students. This is the reference data. You can change as per the legislation or the curriculum. So I think annual intake details are not there in any curriculum. So contact person, Dean page hyperlink as I told earlier. Then the next tab means under the graduate studies when you go, the next tab is automotive engineering. So it will be repeated, the same. Master of Science degree in automotive engineering is the degree given, hosting, program description, then the duration of the program given, and you can have medium of instruction, admission criteria. So in the admission criteria, I just forgot to just make this NCAT. Okay, in the case of admission criteria. Mm. So here NCAT details has to be added. Okay. So what they are giving is like MSc MTech degree with CGPA data at least one more state professor. Criteria for admission are strong academic and have the completed degree higher education materials. So here there is no detail of this entrance and this NCAT examination. So it is must to add this criteria of this one. So I will make like to be eligible for the admission of the candidate has to pass in NCAT exams for a minimum of 50% of the faculty program faculty entrance program. Okay. So what I do is I will be add here in this. Actually, I forgot. I added for this PG programs, but I didn't add it. So here also in the curriculum I adapted everything, but I added only about this NCAT examination here. Okay, in this I added here because the previous curriculum we don't have that one. Okay, so next title is annual intake, and again contact person will be the titles. Okay, the title of the under the title you will have this separate. Okay, so next when you click it will come design engineering. So when you click the design engineering comes in there, you will be having the title of design engineering MSc. What are the degree you are giving? Here I have a doubt that only I did given in the red. Master of Science degree in mechanical engineering is given in the curriculum. In the bracket is given mechanical design. But the better thing is Master of Science degree in mechanical design. I hope we don't have a graduate from here. I hope what's the degree it's going to come. Because as per curriculum, it's like mechanical engineering, Master of Science degree in mechanical engineering. So I don't know about the idea what how it is created. So program description already added. So again, it's based upon the senior staff suggestions. Duration of the program I adapted from the curriculum. Admission criteria here it is given. All the admission criteria adapted directly from the our curriculum. So annual students, annual intake, 20 students are given. It has to be always editable. Again, under the graduate school, when you go for manufacturing and automation, will come all these details. And again, in the manufacturing automation also, all the things will be adapted from the thing, except I hear this admission will be made based upon the passing of NCAT and the faculty entrance examination, but I've been given 50% because in this curriculum there is no details about this 50% or something. So I didn't given the details. So again, all these details when you go for materials and metallurgy MSc also, same things will be added and it will be given. Okay, and here also I added this NCAT information in this admission procedure. That is the new things. So the next tab is laboratories. What I suggest is when you click the laboratories, again it is on the home page. It goes to after laboratory. Sorry, it will be a facilities. After facilities, when you click, it will go to laboratories. And when you click the laboratories, it will go here inside. You can have the different lab or machine shop lab and heat transfer lab and this fluid mechanics lab. You can have a better photo. I hope faculty already having. I think last time they have taken for this lab accreditation. So you can add that laboratory name and the photo down. Okay, in this web page. Okay. So the next one, the next tab is the services. When you click services, training and consultation. So what is this training and consultation? When you click this training and consultation, it's going having a title of training and consultation. Under next title is ongoing consultation. All the PG students, UG students, for example, last time we manufactured a prototype of this hospital wheelchair and this oil deriving machine and sometime before we have make the vibrator machine for making this tiles on the floor or sorry tiles on the road. So all these things comes under consultant service. So we can make like type, okay, which type it is coming. How we can tell exactly means first it can whoever the PG project or PG project whatever the thing they are doing, they you can give. So what is the suggestion? All these things, UG, PG, PhD will be coming on. You can give a title. What is the project? For example, hospital wheelchair. So what is the thing? Status? It's ongoing or maybe finished. Next thing is type, research-based project or UG project, PG project, like that. So you can give like that. Okay, how what is the thing for the student is you are doing, or what are the things you are doing. So next tab will be your community service. Community service also you can give a title as of now. Title, what is the title of the community service? So for example, for Dr. Adisu, we have made this inject mission. The status you can give next to column will be status completed or it's ongoing. Type is research or totally directly community service, like that you can give. So that is the option that we can do or adapt in our curriculum, sorry, in our website. So next tab is library. Under that, if you click the library, you can have it can be hyperlinked to the National Ethiopian Library, or it can be just hyperlooped to our university library. So online library of our university. So these are the things. Up to this, I will just finish this one. If we have a doubt, we can discuss about it. Hmm. So thank you.